In this video, I will guide you how to fix the 0xc00007b error on Windows. The first step you can do is restart your computer. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary glitches causing the error. The next step is to run the program as administrator. Right-click the application that's showing the error. Select Run as Administrator and check the program starts properly. The next step is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Open Control Panel, then go to Programs, select Programs and Features, uninstall all Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable versions, download and install the latest versions from Microsoft's official website. The next step is to install or repair DirectX. Visit Microsoft's DirectX page. Download and install DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer to update DirectX. The next step is to update Net Framework. Go to Microsoft's .NET download page. Install the latest .NET Framework version available. The next step is check for system file corruption. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run the following command: SFC /scannow. Wait for the scan to complete and follow any repair instructions. If it also doesn't help, then reinstall the affected application. Uninstall the software showing the error. Download and install the latest version from the official source. If it also doesn't help, then just check for Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Updates and Security, and go to Windows Update. Tap Check for updates and install any pending updates. That's it. Now you know how to fix the 0xc00007b error on Windows. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.